What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game TGC Card Shop Simulator on your PC. So what you have to do is open your Google browser, and as you know, buying games on Steam can be quite expensive. But in this video I will show you a workaround to save yourself a lot of money while downloading games online. So let's dive straight into it and open your Google search bar. And before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the search bar, and we need to locate this game on Steam first before we can proceed to another website. So go to the Steam website and search for the game TGC Card Shop Simulator. Select it, and if we scroll a little bit down, then you can see that this game is €12.79. So what you have to do is go to the link in the video description, and there you will find a link which says find game here, and if you click on that link you will be redirected to this website. Now the next step is to search for the same game, TGC Card Shop Simulator. After that, select games on the left side and sort by price lowest first. Now as you can see, this game is already available for just €4.60. And if we click on this game, then you can purchase this game for just €4.60 instead of €12.79. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games, and you can purchase this game on this website. And you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key or a Steam account to download this game legitly on Steam. And that is how you save yourself a lot of money while downloading games. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!